Oh my gosh, everyone, I just discovered the easiest, powerful ChatGPT prompt that works for meta advertising targeting. This is specifically designed for travel business. However, I believe once you tweak the destination part, like this part, to what you offer, your services, any service business owners can also benefit well. Just remember these three formula. Copy this. In this example, I just wrote down safari experiences. Let's do this. My favorite is actually this one with competitor. So I wrote down specific targeting audience and competitor names and plus destination or event or key feature. So let's say you are targeting luxury travelers. And then also you can target those competitors page like this and this first agents and also luxury travelers who look for this safari retreat. You can just copy those keywords and add something like this. Also, if you want to add more, you can just click on suggestions. Remember, this is the easiest basic one. So if you want to grab this ChatGPT prompt, then just comment me, M-E, in the comment section. Follow for more.